What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Patrick? Quick demo video for you for your 89 Sabers Graflex. You have me install this with a CFX. You've got CCSabers in here for your main PCB. It's a 2-button setup. So your top switch here is your activation, and then your slide switch here, that's your auxiliary. How to get to everything is you just want to lift up this clamp and turn the handle and take it right off. You requested that you be able to swap out clamp cards. You have about 3 or 4 in your kit, so those will go back to you. I didn't glue this down. In fact, when this clamp is up, this card slides out, so you can swap it out, and then it's designed for when this clamp is shut back down like this, everything is tight again, and it stays in place, right? So you can swap those out like you wanted to. You also asked for a red chassis, so this is my chassis, but just in red PLA. Easy access to your SD card for your CFX. And then you also have a kill switch over here that you had asked me for, right? So you got a removable battery setup, and then you've got a kill switch as well. So we'll throw a battery in this guy. Nothing's going to happen, right, until we come over here and flip the switch.
Does the weather ever get better here?
So everything's working there. And then we'll just throw the handle on real quick. And when you put that clamp down, it's all locked in place. So we can hit activation. Nice shine through in your glass eye.
Kill the brake. Honk, you freak. It's the clone.
You hold this down, you get blade lock up. And we'll throw a blade in this guy real quick. This is your blade retention right here, so you'll need a small flathead screwdriver. And then I got a little test blade we'll throw in here. We're going to change sound fonts though before we do that, so we'll just hold down the auxiliary button until we hear this.
Sound bank selection.
And you can use either button to cycle up or down.
Youngling.
This is General Kenobi.
When you find one you like, just hold a button down.
Hello there.
Just like that. So, activation.
I have a bad feeling about this.
If you want to change blade colors, hold down your aux and twist your wrist real quick. Now we've got green. Every time you do that, you're cycling through a different color. So we'll leave it at that blue.
There's never time to limber up.
And now we got a blue blade.
You can't win. Let negotiations begin.
This is nice and loud. We'll just tap for blaster deflex, right? Hold down for blade lockup.
Very confident, aren't you?
And turn off just like that. I'm not going to play all the
This
fonts.
is the last time Cody takes a day off.
I'm not going to play all the fonts because this is just the stock font package. So you'll be probably putting your own sound fonts on this when you get it. I just wanted to show you that everything was working. And we'll tighten this blade retention back up. And then, to get back to everything, super simple. Exactly what we did to take the handle off. Flip the clamp up, take the handle off. We'll turn the saber on so that you can see that the kill key actually kills everything.
Our guests
Or
have
the kill
arrived.
switch. Right, and we'll come back here. You can see it. Come back here and flip this kill switch, and everything cuts off just like it should. You do have a 28mm Smoker's Outpost Elite speaker back here. It's fully encased, so it sounds really good. It pushes all of your sound straight out the holes, and those holes are hidden by your Covertech, but it sounds really good. So that is pretty much your Saber. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, I will get this out in the mail to you tomorrow morning. All right, thanks, man.